Selling vintage items on Etsy can be a lucrative business. Here's how I turned my passion for vintage into a steady income of $3,000 per month. I began with a few items, focusing on high-quality photos and descriptions. As I gained experience, I expanded my inventory and sold consistently. Types of vintage items that sell best include vintage clothing, jewelry, home decor, books and art, and collectibles. You can find vintage items by visiting thrift stores, flea markets, online marketplaces, or even selling from your personal collection. To price items on Etsy, research similar listings, assess the condition, ensure a profit margin, and maintain competitive pricing. Market your vintage items with SEO optimization, high-quality photos, social media promotion, Etsy ads, and seasonal sales. Manage customer service by communicating promptly, packaging items carefully, using reliable shipping, and having a clear return policy. To scale your business, add new items, diversify your inventory, engage customers, and use focused marketing. Lastly, research your niche, invest in quality listings, be patient, stay organized, and offer excellent customer service. Selling vintage items on Etsy can be profitable. With passion and the right strategies, you can earn $3,000 a month.